Today I'm going to unbox a condenser microphone. This is the Marantz Professional Microphone MPM-2000U, and it's a USB condenser microphone with a high quality for DAW recording for a studio. I'm going to open the box and see what comes inside the box. Now let's turn the box, and on the back we have some more information about this microphone. So let's see. We can see this is the model MPM-2000U from Marantz, and it's a high quality studio condenser USB microphone for DAW recording. It's a top in the line of Marantz USB microphones, perfect for recording high quality directly to digital audio workstation DAW, as a studio quality frequency response and built-in 48 kHz 16-bit A to D converter, making it ideal for recording vocals, instruments and percussion. So you can use it in various ways. Now let's see about the features. We have 4 studio quality USB condenser microphone. It's the first one. It's designed for DAW recording. It's high quality 48 kHz 16-bit A to D converter, and the last one, fast transient response. Inside the box comes the MPM-2000U microphone. There it is on the picture. A USB cable, not in the picture. A shock mount, this thing with elastics that absorb the impacts. And last one, a professional microphone case, that is this plastic case in the picture. What looks like is missing in the box, it's a tripod or a support for the microphone. So I already bought one, and I also will later do an unboxing and demo of this. But now let's unbox this microphone. But before that, subscribe to the channel because I post new videos every week. Let's open the box, and on the top let's cut the tape so we can open the box. Let's open the card box. Let's open this. Now let's take this out. This is the plastic case, and there's nothing more inside. And we have a more rigid plastic case. It's a hard plastic, not like the top of protective cases, but good enough. To open the case, we need to pull these things on both sides, and also this one, and open. It's so big that won't fit on the screen. Let's turn this sideways. This case is rigid plastic and with sponges on both sides on the top, and another one cut-out sponge to fit the equipment. Inside we have some documentation and manuals about the type of microphone. It's a condenser microphone. Also information about the warranty. Here we have the microphone, the MPM-2000U, inside a plastic bag, and will be connected on the bottom via USB here, USB type B, and the microphone on the top. Later I will do a comparative test with another microphones I have. We also have a USB cable with at least 3 meters. It's a USB type A to type B, so you can connect this to any personal computer. Let's do this later. We have a shock mount inside another plastic bag, so let's take this out and see the shock mount. So we can insert the microphone here, and this will absorb the impacts if you move it. You will screw it here or directly on the bottom of the microphone. That's why I also bought this tripod to support it. So here we have a mini tripod, and we'll do this later. And this is everything that comes inside the box. of the Microphone Marantz MPM-2000U. So, we have one microphone, one USB cable, one shock mount, and a rigid plastic travel case. We can close it and carry it. Just like this. And this was the Microphone Marantz MPM-2000U, a condenser microphone. I hope you like this video. Now subscribe to the channel because I post new videos every week. Hit the like button and write in the comments if you have any question, because I read and answer to every comment.